Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the topic articles. First of all, we will have a look at what are articles. So, articles a, an, and the. These are the special group of words and that are known as articles. The articles are used before the nouns, means we write the noun and before the noun we write an article. Every time whenever we need to write a noun, there is an article before that noun that is written. For an example, a girl, an apple, the mountain. As we have learnt, a, an, and the, these are the articles and these are used before the nouns. Girl is a noun. As we all know, girl is a noun. So a is placed before girl, and that is an article is placed before a noun. Similarly, an apple. Apple is a noun and an is an article that is placed before the word apple, before the noun apple. And the mountain, similarly in the mountain is a noun, whereas the is an article that is placed in front of the noun, that is mountain. So now we will learn about how we use a and an. The usage of a and an basically. A is used, first of all, A is used with the words that begin with the consonants. As all of us know that the alphabet, English alphabet, that comprises of 26 alphabets. In English there are 26 alphabets and 21 are the consonants and rest of the 5 are the vowels. So A is used with the words that start with consonants. For an example, a book, a pen, a dog, a tomato, all these B, P, D, T, all these are consonants. So with all the words that start with the consonants, that we use A in front of them. Then an. As we have learnt, we use A in front of the words that starts with the consonants. So the vowels are remaining. Vowels in front of the words that start with the vowels A, E, I, O, U. We always use the word an. We always use the article an in front of the words that starts with vowels A, E, I, O, U, or they start with the vowel sound. For example, an umbrella. Umbrella starts with the word U. U is a vowel. So we have written an in front of umbrella. Secondly, an orange. Then an insect. Right? Then whenever we are using the singular nouns, whenever we use the nouns that are one in quantity, then we use a and an before them. Every time there is a singular noun, so we use a or an according to the consonant or the vowel. But whenever there is a plural noun, we will not use a or an. We will always use a or an before singular nouns only. For example, a banana. Not a bananas. Like banana is one, so we have used a in front of banana, but when it is bananas, so we will not write a in front of that. Similarly, a and an, we can use a and an with the common nouns only. With the common nouns we can use a and they are not used with the plural nouns. They cannot be used before the plural nouns. For example, we can write a girl, but we cannot write a Priya or a Priyanka. Priya or Priyanka, that is a proper noun because that is the name of a girl. But girl is a common noun, so we can write or we can say a girl, but we cannot use a in front of the name of that girl. Similarly, a city. City is a common noun because there are so many cities, so we can say it is a city, but we cannot use the word a. We cannot use an article a with the name of that city, as we have it is represented that we cannot write a Delhi, right? Nextly, a and an, they are used depending upon the sound of the word that follows it. For example, as I have told you that we use the words, we use an with the a, E, I, O, U. So for an example, let us see a uniform. Now uniform starts with U, but U is a vowel. So I said that whenever we use the vowels, we have to write and. But here a is written. So this mentions that we use the articles depending upon the sound of the word. Although uniform starts with the word U, but when we pronounce it, we say uniform. Umbrella, A-E-I-O-U, right? A uniform. As it is written downwards, uniform begins with the consonant U, Y-U, U, right? A hotel, but not, but an hour. An hotel or hour, both starts with H. Both are the consonants, but with one we have written A and with another we have written N. How it is possible? Because hotel, H. Her say, we started with her, hotel. So it is a consonant. But our's pronunciation, although we write our as H-O-U-R, but its pronunciation starts with R. R. We always say it as R, right? So, A-E-I-O-U, R. R. A is a vowel, so we have written an in front of R, right? Now we have to fill in the blanks using A or an. Meera is dash engineer. Engineer starts with E. E is a vowel, so we have to write an. First answer would be an. Secondly, Jaya is dash doctor. Doctor is starting with the consonant D. So with the consonants, we will write A before doctor. Ria brought dash umbrella. In the previous slide, we have done the example of umbrella. Umbrella starts with U, but umbrella, the pronunciation of umbrella, it comes Y-U. So, A, we will write it as Ria brought an umbrella. I ate dash dosa and dash idli for lunch. Dosa starts with D consonant, so A dosa, and idli starts with I, a vowel, so an idli. The king wears dash crown, a crown, because crown is starting with the consonant C. Now we have learnt the usage of a and an. How do we use a and an? Now we will learn about how do we use the article the. The is used. There are many uses of the. There are many uses of the article the. So we will see what are the uses of the. The is used to talk about a particular person, place, animal, or thing. Particular means when the name of a person is given, like one person, one particular person, when it is given. So we will, whenever we need to talk about that particular person, a place, but for example we have to talk about our school, so we can use the here. So the is used for a particular person, animal, place, or a thing. Secondly, it is used to talk about something that has already been mentioned, or to refer to something that the listener or the reader already knows. Whenever we are talking about a thing that I have already told you, or that you know prior, means you have you are aware of that thing already, then we use the in case of that thing. For example, there is a village nearby. Like I am telling you about a village that is nearby our school, or you can say our city, but you know about that village already because it is near to us, so you know about that village. So we can walk to the village. There is a village. First of all, when we are mentioning village, then I have used the word a village, right? Now again we are mentioning about the same village, as this thing has already been mentioned, the village that has already been mentioned. So now they are saying that we can walk to the village. We can walk to the village means हम वहां तक चल के जा सकते हैं उस विलेज तक. वो विलेज के बारे में पहले ही बात हो गई है, तो इसलिए उस विलेज के आगे हमने क्या यूज किया है, the. To talk about something or someone specific. समथिंग और समवन स्पेसिफिक मीन्स जिसके बारे में कुछ पर्टिकुलर हमें फिर से बताया जा रहा है. स्पेसिफिक मीन्स उसके बारे में कुछ स्पेशल हमें बोला जा रहा है. द बुक आई वॉज रीडिंग हैज अ रेड कवर. नाउ स्पेसिफिक मीन्स रेड कवर. देयर इज ओनली वन बुक दैट इज हैविंग अ रेड कवर. सो आई एम टेलिंग दैट द बुक आई वॉज रीडिंग, जो बुक मैं पढ़ रही थी उस बुक का रेड कवर है. रेड कवर मीन्स दैट इज अ स्पेसिफिक बुक, दैट इज अ पर्टिकुलर बुक. Now, the is also used before the name of things that are one of a kind. That are one of a kind means that are only one. That are only one throughout. सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है, जैसे कि the sun, the moon, the universe. As we know, only one sun is there. So, we always use the in front of that things that are only one of a kind. Then, before the names of rivers, mountain ranges, seas, oceans, and deserts. Whenever we are whenever we talk about the name of any river or any mountains or any seas or oceans, then we use the in front of the names of that, like the Himalayas, the Ganga, the Nile, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So all with all these words we use the before the names of specific books and newspapers. With the name of particular books, like the books, holy books, and the newspapers, the specific newspapers like the Hindustan Times, the Tribune, the Bible, the Gita, right? All these are the specific books and the newspapers, and with the name of these books and newspapers we use the article the before the names of these books and newspapers. Now you can see in the diagram there are some things given to us. The uses of the is given to us in the diagram below. The is used with the nouns that we already know about, like we know about something. I have a pen with a blue cap, that is we already know about, I already know about my pen, that my pen is having a blue cap. So the pen with the blue cap, right? That is my pen. Secondly, with the proper nouns that are only one of their kind. Proper nouns, as an example that I have told you, the sun, the moon, that are only one. And with the name of famous buildings, rivers, oceans, that we have already learned, that the name of books and the newspapers also, and the directions also, the Yamuna, the Bible, all these are the uses of the. Nextly, we will fill in the blanks with a and the. Dash igloo. Igloo starts with I. I is a vowel, so we will write an igloo. Dash Narmada. Narmada is the name of a river, that is the specific name, so with the specific name we will write the Narmada. Dash house. House is a common noun, so we will write a. Dash Himalayas. Himalayas is a mountain range. Mountain range that is specific, that has its particular name, proper name, so it is the Himalayas. Dash ostrich. Ostrich is a bird and it starts with the word O, so we will use an. Dash orange, similar to ostrich, an. Dash Aravali range. Aravali range is the name of a mountain range, so it is so the answer would be the. Dash tomato, a tomato. Dash newspaper. Now no name of newspaper is given, only newspaper is given to us, so we will write a newspaper. So this was the usage of an, and the. I hope all of you have learnt about the articles properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.